Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss the interview questions for automation tester on API testing which are asked in Infosys. The interview happened on 11th April 2022. In this video I'm going to share two programs that interviewer asked me to find out the output and some of the questions which he asked on API testing. So the mode of the interview was online, and before 2 days of the interview they have sent me the mail, they have informed me the time, and also they have told me to install the Cisco WebEx software. Through this software they have conducted my interview. The very first question the interviewer asked me is introduce yourself. So to answer this question, first you have to tell your name, then you can tell where are you from. Then you can tell about your current organization, how long you are working with your current organization, then different domains you have worked upon in your current organization. You can tell about current project, what special you have done in your current project, that also you can tell. Then your roles and responsibilities in your current project, your strong skill set, that is very important. Then your strength and weaknesses, this part is optional part. If you want to mention then you can, if you want, if you don't want then you can't. Okay, so this type, in this type you have to answer this question. Also I have made one video on how to introduce yourself in Capgemini. So if you want to refer that video then you can click on the I button, or you can click on the link which I have given in the description box as well. So you can check out from that there also. Then some of the questions from Selenium and Java. First, why we use encapsulation. So to answer this question you have to know about the basic of encapsulation, why we are using, where we are using. So basically you can tell like we use encapsulation to hide the values of our data or our data object inside the class. So we can prevent the unauthorized access to our data objects or data members. Also, your encapsulation helps us to keep related fields and methods together, which makes our code cleaner and easy to read. The real-time example of this encapsulation is what? When you are using page object model, you are writing a separate class for each web page. In that, you declare some data members and member functions. Okay, at the rate find by notation you are using for declaring the data members, and you have some constructor and some methods to operate on data members. So that is nothing but your encapsulation. In a particular class you have data members and you have functions to operate on them. That is the example of encapsulation. So you can tell with the example like this. Then have you used extent reports? So I answered like yes. So extent report is basically your open source library. When you are using TestNG, you are having emailable report. Okay, that is a default report from the TestNG, but that is not interactive one. Okay, so to make your report interactive, we have extent reports open source library. Okay, once you install or once you add this library to your project, then you can generate the extent report, and these reports are very attractive. The data is in the form of pie charts also, means it creates the custom reports. I have given the answer like this. Then he totally focused on API testing. So he first asked me, have you worked on API? I answered like yes, I have done API testing, but manual API testing using the tool Postman. Then he asked which methods you have used in API. So get method, post method, put method, patch method, delete method. These methods I have used in my API testing. I answered like this. So get method is basically getting the resources. Post method is used for create a resources. Then put and patch is used for update the resource. And delete is for the deleting the resource. So you can take any example and you can explain these methods to the interviewer. Then what are the things you verified in response of API? That is very interesting question. I confused first to answer this question. Then I remember some of the points over here. So I tell like I can verify HTTP status code. For example, 201 is a OK status code. Whether I'm getting the that status code or not, that I can check. Then response payload means your body of response, that I can verify. Response headers, your status lines. So these points I can verify in my response of your API. I answered like this. Then what is the error code 401 and when we will get it? So basically 401 is for unauthorized, means when you do not have any authentication to access that particular resource, then this code will be generated, or this code will be come as an output 401. And there is a slight difference between 401 and 403. So 401 is unauthorized and 403 is forbidden, means in unauthorized or in 401 user do not have any valid credentials to access that particular resource, but in 403 you have proper credentials like your username and password, but you do not have a privilege or you do not have a right to access that resource. So I explained like this with the help of 401 and 403. Then he gave me two programs and asked to find out the output. So first program is about prefix and postfix. So if you know the answer of this question, then you can comment below and you can refer this program. Then program 2, again demonstration of do while. What is the output of I will be here. So these two programs he asked me, and he asked me to write the output in that comment box. So I did it, and at after 3 days I got the message that I am selected for round 2. So in next video I will share the round 2 questions which are asked in Infosys for an API automation tester. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends so that others can also know these types of questions. Thank you.